In front of me is Narzo 50i Prime, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select System, and now click on Backup right here. Tap on Add Account. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to use your account, to log in with this account, and provide your details. And let me enter password off the screen. And click on Next then. Tap on Next, Agree. And as you can see, backup to Google One is active as only you click on Turn On. Here you can manage the backup right now, and that's it. So this is how you can activate backup in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.